Airports are supposed to be gateways to adventure, but for some scammers, they're gateways to your wallet. From helpful strangers who walk away with your luggage to digital thieves who can steal your money without even touching you, 2025 has brought new tricks you've never seen before. Today, we're exposing the top 10 airport scams you need to avoid in 2025. And trust me, number 1 is so sneaky, even frequent flyers fall for it. Stay with me until the end, because knowing these scams could literally save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars on your next trip. And if you've ever been targeted, drop your story in the comments so we can warn other travelers. 10. The overpriced currency exchange trap. Right after you pass through arrivals, you'll see brightly lit currency exchange booths screaming, "Best rates here!" Spoiler alert, they're not. How the scam works. They lure travelers with signs showing low commission. The real trick is hidden in the terrible exchange rate, which can be 10 to 20% worse than the market rate. In 2025, some booths have gone digital, using touchscreens that hide the real rate until the final confirmation page, when most people just hit accept. How to avoid it. Always check the rate online before you travel. Use airport ATMs from reputable banks instead, but watch out for our next scam. 9. The ATM fee gouge. Airports are full of ATMs, but many belong to private operators, not banks. These machines charge ridiculous withdrawal fees, up to $15 per transaction. Offer currency conversion at their rate, which can be 10% worse. In some airports, machines have been rigged with skimmers to copy your card details. 2025 twist. Some fake ATMs have popped up in quiet corners of the terminal, designed to look legit but connected to a scammer's network. Pro tip: only use ATMs located inside bank branches or near official airline check-in counters. 8. The fake porters. You've just landed, you're tired, and someone in a vest offers to carry your bag. Seems nice, right? Not always. The scam. Scammers wear unofficial vests or fake badges. They carry your luggage, then demand an outrageous service fee, sometimes refusing to return the bag until you pay. Some even vanish into the crowd with your suitcase. How to spot them? Official porters usually have airport ID visible at chest height. A fixed rate chart, never cash-only demands. 7. The fast-track check-in scam. In busy airports, someone might offer to fast-track you through security or check-in for a fee. How it works? They claim to be airline staff or VIP service providers. They take your passport and boarding pass, then disappear. Or they escort you halfway through security before asking for extra processing fees. In 2025, scammers have been using AI-generated airline badges to look more authentic than ever. Chapter 6. The taxi overcharge trap. You've made it outside the airport and just want to get to your hotel. A driver approaches. No need to wait in line. I'll give you the best rate. The reality? They don't use meters. They quote prices 3 to 5 times higher than normal. Some take deliberately long routes to increase the fare. Avoid it. Use official taxi queues or ride-hailing apps with upfront pricing. In some cities, you can prepay for airport taxis at official counters. 5. The accidental luggage swap. A scammer picks a bag that looks like theirs, by mistake. Once they walk away, your valuables are gone. 2025 evolution. Some scammers now place fake luggage tags on your bag beforehand, so it appears like theirs if anyone questions them. Prevention tip: use unique luggage straps or bright tags. Keep a photo of your bag handy to show security. 4. Free Wi-Fi, not so free. We all love free airport Wi-Fi, but some networks are traps. The scam? Scammers set up fake free airport Wi-Fi hotspots. Once you connect, they can see everything you type, including passwords and banking details. In 2025, fake Wi-Fi names look almost identical to the official one, like Airport Free Wi-Fi 1 instead of Airport Free Wi-Fi. Fix: always verify the official network name with airport staff before connecting. 3. Duty-free shop tricks. Duty-free doesn't always mean cheap. The scam: price tags make items seem discounted, but compared to online or city stores, they can be more expensive. In some cases, staff forget to remove the tax from your bill. In 2025, some shops have started adding handling fees for certain payments, which defeats the whole point of tax-free shopping. Advice: know the retail price of big-ticket items before your trip. 2. The helpful security line guide. You're running late, and someone offers to guide you to a shorter line. But there's a catch. The scam: they lead you through staff corridors or shortcuts. Midway, they demand tips for their help. In some cases, they bring you to an area you're not authorized to be in, risking fines for you. 1. The digital pickpocket, the sneakiest of 2025. This one doesn't require physical contact. How it works: scammers use wireless skimming devices that can read credit card or passport RFID chips from a few feet away. They simply walk near you in crowded areas. In 2025, devices have become so small they can fit inside a phone case. Protection: use RFID blocking wallets or passport covers. Keep your cards in the middle of your wallet, not the outer slots. And that's the 10 airport scams you need to watch out for in 2025. Which one shocked you the most? Have you ever experienced one of these firsthand? Drop your story in the comments. Your tip could save another traveler from being ripped off. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends before their next trip. Trust me, they'll thank you later.